Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing another Violet Voss Fun Size palette. This one right here called Sparkling Cherry Limeade. Now I had previously reviewed a different Violet Voss Fun Size palette. This one right here that I always pronounce wrong, so I'm not going to pronounce it. But yeah, if you want to see that video, I'll link it down in the description box, and then that way you can see my reasons why I personally wasn't very impressed with this palette. I had even said in that video that I didn't see myself buying any more palettes from Violet Voss. However, November is my birthday month and I ended up getting this for my birthday. So since I have it, I thought I would try it out for the first time here on camera, and therefore I'd be giving Violet Voss a second chance. Now, in terms of like what the shadows look like, to me, they look beautiful. These are definitely the type of shadows that I'm drawn to, you know, bright, colorful, shimmery, sparkly shades. There are two matte shadows, it looks like, but they do have glitter in them. That doesn't bother me, but I know some people don't like those types of shadows. It does say on here that these are pressed pigments, which are different than just like your regular eyeshadows. So I'm assuming that this is a different formula, therefore it should perform differently on my eyes. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, we will find out. But yeah, I think what I want to do is I'm going to do two different eyeshadow looks so I can use all the shadows, and then I will let you know my final thoughts at the end of the video. So yeah, we'll just get started. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to talk through this tutorial. I don't usually talk through my tutorials just because I'm not very good at it, but we're going to give it a try today. If I do a good job, you'll hear my voice. If I don't, you'll just hear music in the background and you probably won't even watch this part of the video. But anyways, I've already primed my eyes. I just used my Maybelline Age Rewind concealers. So yeah, so that's done. Now I think I'm gonna go in first with this pink matte shade, and I'm gonna be using my NYX number 16 brush, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And I usually like to start like in the middle of my eye and work my way out. Oh wow, so that is definitely very pigmented. So yeah, I want to focus most of the shadow in my crease, and then I'll blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a clean brush. So this is the brush that I'm using. I don't know where I got this. I got this a long time ago, and it's just like a angled fluffy brush. And I'm going to just blend this out a little bit more. Okay, so that seemed to blend out nicely. Now I'm gonna take this Rimmel stick concealer, and I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. I like to have a more tacky concealer as a base on my eyelids, just so that the eyeshadow really sticks to my eye. So yeah, I always do this step when I'm, you know, doing my makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to take this sponge tip applicator. Now I know a lot of people don't like to use these types of applicators. I still use them, but I'm actually going to try and phase these out for myself, just because I'm finding it harder and harder to find these at the drugstore. So yeah, I have made an order for some makeup brushes, so I'm excited about that. I purchased makeup brushes from BH Cosmetics. I've never purchased anything from them. You know, people seem to have good reviews for their makeup brushes, so I'm going to try those out. But anyways, I think now I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. Oh, again, very pigmented. Definitely a lot of color payoff for me. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be patchy or anything. Okay, so that's a good thing. So now with the other side of my sponge tip applicator, I'm going to take the green and put that in the middle of my lid, or center of my lid. Oh wow, that's really nice. So I'm gonna go in with my finger just to see if that makes the shadow even more vibrant. Oh yeah, so it makes it a lot more shimmery and more metallic if you use your finger. Wow, so far I'm definitely impressed. Now I'm just gonna blend it into the yellow a little bit more. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna take a different sponge tip applicator, this one right here, and I'm gonna take this eggplant purpley color right here and put that on my outer part of the lid. I'm not using a lot of eyeshadow. I don't really see a lot of fallout. There's a little tiny bit right there, but you know, I can manage that. Now I'm just gonna blend it with the green a little bit more. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use this blue right here, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom of my eye here. And again, I think I'll just, no, let's use a brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little brush and I'm gonna grab this blue right here and just put that underneath my eye. Now I'm going to take that same sponge tip applicator that I used to grab the yellow. I'm going to grab some more yellow and put that right there, like that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to this side. So I'm going to take the other matte shade, this kind of reddish orangey color right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease on this side. So it does seem to be a little bit patchy, a little bit more patchy than this pink anyways. Oh no, actually this pink is starting to look a little bit patchy. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but okay, let's keep going. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm gonna grab my my Rimmel stick concealer. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a brush and then take this purple and put that on the center of my lid. Okay, so with that brush, Not a lot of shadow is going on my lid, so I'm going to try my finger now and see if that works better. Yeah, you can definitely build it up though. You can build up the color. Okay, so that's what that purple looks like. Now I'm gonna try again with that brush. I'm just cleaning it off, and I'm gonna go in with this blue, and I'm gonna put that in my inner. Yeah, not really. I think it's this brush. I think this brush doesn't work. Okay, let's try with the sponge tip applicator. I'm gonna grab some blue and put that in the, oh yeah, that works. See? Sometimes these sponge tip applicators come in really handy. So yeah, that definitely worked better with the sponge tip applicator. Mind you, this is not a very good quality brush, so I'll definitely be trying this with my new brushes when they come in the mail. Yeah, that looks really nice. Now I'm gonna put some more of this same blue eyeshadow on my outer eye. Now I'm moving on to the lower eye, and I'm gonna be using obviously these two shades. That's what's left. So I think I'm gonna use this orangey, yellowy orangey color right here, and putting that right there, the bottom of my eye. Okay, so this shadow worked nicely with this brush, no problems there. Now I'm gonna take this pinky peach color right here with the other side of my sponge tip applicator on the clean side, and I'm gonna put that in my inner bottom corner. Ooh, that's a nice, oh, I really like that. I really like this color. This is a nice shadow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, you know, put some mascara on, some eyeliner. I'll do that off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so this is what my eye makeup looks like now that I have my mascara and my eyeliner on. This is not the best makeup application I've ever done, but I just wanted to quickly play with the shadows and see how they performed on my lids. So yeah, so I do have to say that I definitely like this palette way more than I did the Macaron. As you saw, the shadows went on pretty easily. They are pigmented. My creases are patchy, but like I said, I put the makeup on very quickly. I'm sure if I took my time and didn't overwork the crease, I could get a really nice blend with these pressed pigments. So yeah, so overall, I'm excited to play with this some more. I'm excited to pair this with some of my other palettes. I personally do not have a very big makeup collection. So for me, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I do not have these colors in these metallic shimmery finishes. So yeah, so overall, I like this palette. I'm excited to keep using it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found the review helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.